Welcome to Magitudes. In this tutorial you will learn how to change the shape of a photo in Canva. I have already opened a Canva project, and now as for the next step, let us insert a photo from Canva's photo library. For that purpose I will head over here to Photos, and then I will simply take here one of these pictures and drag and drop it inside of our project. Now, as you can see, we simply have a photo here in a rectangular format. So how can you change the shape of that photo now? Well, unfortunately, Canva doesn't give us a lot of tools to change the shape of photos. However, what you can do is to make sure that your photo is selected, and then you can click here on Crop. And once you've done that, you will see that you can drag the edges here to adjust the shape a little bit. However, you will quickly come to understand that you will still end up with either a rectangular or a square format here. Using the crop function, you can't really change the shape of your photo into anything else than these two options. Well, in fact, there's only one good way to change the shape of a photo in Canva, and that is by using Canva Frames. To do so, simply head over here to Elements in the left sidebar, and then search for Frames. Now you will see that we have a lot of frames here at our disposal, and let's say you would like to have this photo here in a circle rather than in a rectangle. We could simply choose a circle here, drag and drop that inside of our project, and now to get our photo inside of that circle, I will simply select it and drag it into that circle. And as you can see now, we have now successfully changed the shape of our photo. Instead of a circle, you could also have something like a letter, for example. So I'll just take the letter N, and then I can also insert our photo, and it will be part of the shape N. Well, Canva offers quite a lot of shapes you can choose from here from the Elements library. However, this also means that we are really limited to what Canva gives us here. There is actually no way at the moment in Canva to make your own shapes, so either you find a shape here that fits, but if you don't, you will need to use another program such as Illustrator or Photoshop, or maybe some free software as GIMP to actually change the shape of your photos after you exported your photo or before you import it into Canva. Now, there is actually one little workaround that I would like to present to you. But this only works if you have a fixed background which is made up of only one color. To choose a background, select Background here in the left sidebar, and we will just take a black background for this purpose. Now let us again insert a photo here. And now the workaround that I would like to introduce to you is to actually use a shape here, but not a frame this time, but I will simply search for circle, and I will insert that circle. Now I'm going to change the color of that circle into black. And now, as our circle obviously has the exact same color as our background, we can simply move that circle a little bit, and this will make certain parts of our image disappear. So this is a little workaround that you can use whenever you are working with a one color background. If you indeed enjoyed this video, I would be most grateful if you could subscribe to my channel, and in that case, please don't forget to hit the notification bell. Have a great day, guys. Bye.